Oh, for fuck's sake!
Monkeys in space, they try to be heroes, but they're not the brightest, they're not the lightest, they're not the brightest. They also have
Our own monkey fragrance.
I wanna help.
This is what Mom left!
they'll do their best.
Yeah, right. As if.
Relative, don't you monkeys.
Super lame.
Yet another fucking Catacaris joke.
A few days later, how many
The writer's fucking barely disguised fetish jokes.
Morphe!
That's disgusting!
What? Why? Sorry, my monkeys.
It's time to
Time for dinner.
Disgusting! This raw spaghetti is.
Whoa! Look out! Deep Slob Dave needs a new villain, or he'll eat himself into a deep-fried blob.
I'm Lord.
Look at me. I'm the pantsless evil villain.
Stay.
Poo-poo